Ethereum Classic cannot be stopped. It has been on a massive run, and it doesn't look like it's slowing down at all. Like, every single time I have looked at this chart to make a video on it, to see what the price is, to see my position, this chart just doesn't seem like it could go down. Currently, it's at $145 per coin on Coinbase, and that's up 62% in the last 24 hours. In the last week, it is up 329%. The last month, it's up over 830%. And there is a lot we have to go over with Ethereum Classic. So if you enjoy this sort of content, well, then please be sure to like the video down below, subscribe so you can be notified every time I post a new update on crypto, on the stock market, or on tech news. But anyways, Ethereum Classic, they are surpassing Dogecoin as being the next, big crypto out there that people are wanting to get behind. It is like similar to what happened with GameStop and AMC. Everyone was all into GameStop at first. Shortly after, we saw AMC ride that wave upward, and we're seeing very similar things happen with Ethereum Classic. Dogecoin, it has skyrocketed so much. It is now the fourth most valuable crypto in terms of market cap out of all coins. So now people are starting to look for, what's going to be the next Dogecoin? What's going to be something that can 4 or 5x very quickly from where it currently is? And it seems like that is starting to be Ethereum Classic. Currently, Ethereum Classic is ranked number 13 in terms of market cap. They have a market cap of $16.8 billion. And if you're looking at Dogecoin, $77 billion market cap. So if you're just comparing those two, Ethereum Classic has a long way before catching, it has to about 4 or 5x from where it currently is before it would catch Dogecoin in terms of market cap. But what is happening, what we're seeing now is that a couple of things. So first of all, Ethereum Classic it was originally part of Ethereum. What happened was back in 2016, there was a hard fork that happened, and Ethereum broke up into Ethereum Classic, and now what we know as Ethereum. I've addressed this in all of my videos so far on Ethereum Classic, so I'll put a link down below if you want to hear more details on that. If you hear a full description, you could check that out. But essentially, what it is Ethereum Classic is still part of the original blockchain of Ethereum. It never reverted back after the hack that took place in 2016. So people who own Ethereum Classic essentially are people who believe the original code of Ethereum should be what they use. They don't need to modify it. They don't need to change anything with it. And right now, with Ethereum Classic, it has 210 million coins that will ever be in existence. So that is another positive as well. But anyways, when you're looking at the prices of Ethereum Classic and Dogecoin, they are following a very similar pattern. If you're looking at these charts look identical. And now it's just why we're seeing Ethereum Classic's price go up it's that, first of all, people want to find that, cheaper Ethereum, and Ethereum right now is well over $3,000 per coin. Ethereum Classic, on the other hand, is only in the $100 per coin range. So people want to find the cheaper Ethereum, want to invest in that. In addition to this, we're seeing a lot of people who were investing in Dogecoin trying to find that next, major winner, and that is why they're going to Ethereum Classic. A lot of investors have forgotten about Ethereum Classic for years. For, last couple of months, last couple of years, people have forgotten about it because Ethereum has been doing so well. Ethereum has been taking away the spotlight, but now Ethereum Classic has come back to the forefront of a lot of people's minds, and that is why we're seeing the price go up. And you got to remember, is it justified, the price right now? Is it for all the use cases it has? Maybe not, but what we're seeing is similar to what happened with GameStop and AMC. If there's enough demand, enough people wanting to get behind the movement, enough people wanting to join the community, well, it's going to drive the price up. Same with Dogecoin. Dogecoin has no intrinsic value, but if enough people want to use it, enough people invest in it, it's going to eventually have some, it is valued at something. People are willing to spend the money on it. And that's what we're seeing happen with Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic versus Dogecoin. Ethereum Classic at least has a lot of use cases. You can do decentralized finance projects on it. It has smart contracts. It has a lot of things that Dogecoin doesn't have. So in that sense, it is much more practical in my mind. But either way, we're seeing Ethereum Classic's price continue to skyrocket. 73% of the trading activity in the last 24 hours has been from people buying it versus selling it. So that's a great sign. We're seeing very, very bullish signals here. And it looks like we're continuing to reach record highs. Last time we talked about this is at about the $95 per coin range. Now it's all the way up to $142. All of this is going to depend where we see it go next, is if we see some people who are in the Dogecoin community start to transfer over to Ethereum Classic, because that's really what we're seeing. It is following the exact same chart. The chart of Ethereum Classic, the chart of Dogecoin have been very similar, and I think that is what we're seeing right now. But let me know your thoughts. Do you think we're going to continue to see Ethereum Classic rise from where it currently is, or you think it's going to drop back down? Me personally, I think it does have a lot more upside just because of all of the hype around crypto. The stock market is not doing as well, so people are actively looking for cryptocurrencies to invest in. And this, with the name Ethereum Classic, with the community Dogecoin has, all of this could be, pointing to Ethereum Classic having a massive, massive run very, very soon.